Hello everybody. I am going to cover a few things in this video. One is the check-in slides that I've been doing on my lessons. Another is adding Bitmojis to your lessons if you use Google Slides. It's really easy to do. So I create my own lessons on Google Slides. Then I download them as PowerPoints and I upload those PowerPoints to Neuro, and it works out really nicely because if your lesson is in Neuro, of course, the students can also write on the screen on the board. And if you clear the pages, it doesn't clear everything on the page like it does when you put something on the whiteboard. So I really like this method, and it's worked out really well. So I create a template for my lessons, and I just make a copy of it and then rename it and then go from there. And that way I don't have to start over every time I start creating a lesson. So this is a place value lesson that I've actually just started working on, but what I was going to show you is that for every lesson I do a check-in. And my students really enjoy these for the most part. The older students maybe not so much, but the younger ones really like it. And one of the things that I do for younger students especially is I'll use a would you rather question. Of course, you can see here it says, would you rather have green hair or blue hair? And they get a kick out of answering these types of questions. And it's easy because it gives them a choice, and they don't have to try to think of something. Like if you ask, what is your favorite TV show? They could spend 5 minutes trying to think of what their favorite TV show is if they're younger, third, fourth, fifth grade. But if you ask them, would you rather, and you show them a picture, then they'll circle the picture that they choose, or they'll talk to you about it. The other thing that I just started doing is I just started doing a slide after that with just a thought for the day. And I get these from an app called Brainy Quote, and I just have the app on my phone, and they send you a thought for the day every day, but they have thousands of quotes from different authors and philosophers and celebrities. So if you download that app and search for a specific category, like I'll go to, this one was friendship, or I'll choose courage or education or success, or there's even one on failure, which is really great. I used one of those the other day. So that's where I get these. And I thought what I would do is start with the check-in and then move to the thought for the day and just, maybe discuss what it means and talk about who the author is or who the quote is by, just for, 1 or 2 minutes, just as a warm up. So the only other thing I was going to talk about in this video is Bitmojis. If you've never used Bitmojis in your slides, they're a lot of fun, and I've been using them since, I guess around the time COVID started and we all had to go home. So if you'd like to know how to use Bitmojis, I'm going to show you here real quick. It's an extension. You can use an extension on Chrome. So go to your extension tab or your extension icon at the top, and you can just click on Manage Extensions and then go to the Chrome Web Store. I know there's another way to do it, but for me, that's just how I do it. Just search extensions, type in Bitmoji. Just choose the Bitmoji extension, add to Chrome, and add the extension. And then you can log in with Snapchat. I don't log in with my Snapchat. I don't care for the Snapchat Bitmojis right now. And for that is that I used to teach people how to do Bitmoji scenes, and I did videos, and I had a Bitmoji account for my husband as well. So I would need to log in really quickly to one or the other. Okay, so once you've done that, then I'm gonna go back over to my lesson. If you go back to your extensions and you find the Bitmoji extension and you click on the pin, it will pin it up at the top. And that way all you have to do is just click on it whenever you need to use it. So let's see, let's go to a blank slide. So let's say I wanted to put a Bitmoji of myself. Maybe somebody has a birthday that day. You could click happy birthday, and it'll give you several different ones, and you click the one you want, and you can just drag it onto the slide and, resize it however you want it. So if you already have a Snapchat and you use the Snapchat, it's going to use the avatar that you created in Snapchat. If not, you can just do a new Bitmoji account. And I go on my phone to change my wardrobe, my shoes, or whatever. I am a huge basketball fan, so I always make sure I'm wearing Jordans on my feet. So I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be glad to answer them. Just comment on the post and I'll answer any questions you have. Thanks.